Happy birthday, sir. This birthday is further special for us as our group is entering into 30th years of its successful journey, which would have not been possible without the values and guidance set by you to follow ethical practices since beginning. You are a true visionary, and I remember that in 97, so you have mentioned that this retail business related expansion, where you have mentioned that this business is going to grow with a rapid pace going forward. We have started with just one branch office at Nagpur and one VSET in our business partner office outside Fort area, where we have installed it at Borivali office. And with that, the journey of this retail business started in our organization. It's almost 27 years has been completed so far. I'm happy to be part of our successful journey, where today we have around 100 branches, our own branches, and 1200 plus business partners across 400 cities of the country. We have started this business with just 20 team members, and sir, I am really happy that today with your vision we have staff strength of 1600 plus into this investment services vertical. This growth would have not been possible without the values which you have set for the organization since beginning, where client interest has always given the first priority. Before any revenue generation, you have conveyed that client interest should be protected. You have also given thrust to research and value generation for the client, and we are continuously following that particular path by having a comparatively better quality research and providing multiple products based on the client's suitability. And with that particular vision, with that particular mission, we have almost 5 lakh plus satisfied client with our organization today. I keep on learning one thing, sir, from you, that how to manage in tough situation. In any of the tough situation, I found you to be positive and trying to find out the solution, and that is really helping the organization to great extent. Once again, many happy returns of the day to you, sir. Wishing for a long and healthy life for you.